Today we will be making butter slime. When you make your slime, this is what it'll look like.
For our ingredients, we will need water, salt, food coloring, flour, a spoon, a chopstick, and a bowl. First pour 1/3 cup of water into the bowl.
Next, we are going to take some salt and put 5 pinches of it into our water. Next, you want to make sure you dissolve all your salt into the water so your butter slime doesn't get grainy.
Now add yellow food coloring to make it more look like butter slime. We're using gel food coloring.
Next, you're going to add 2 scoops of flour to your butter slime and mix it around. You should see that your slime should be turning a yellowish color because we added the yellow food coloring. After you add 2 scoops to your butter slime, it should look like this. It should look a little bit like cake batter.
Keep adding until you have consistency of cookie dough like this.
If your slime gets too wet and you're not able to knead it, then just add in a little bit of flour and keep kneading it. On the other hand, if your slime gets too dry, then just add a little bit of water and mix it in. One last thing that you can do with your slime is add lotion. This will make the texture of your slime very soft. The great thing about adding lotion is it can make the texture of your slime really soft and smell really good. But also, if you add lotion, it can make your slime sticky again, so you just want to add some more flour and knead it in.